Hi everyone, I'm Elle, and today I wanted to share my unboxing of what I picked up from the Louis Vuitton Murakami Drop 2. So this is from the Cherry Blossoms collection, and I wanted to share my first impressions of it. I ordered it on a Friday, and then it got delivered. I ordered on Friday, March 14th, I think, and then it got delivered pretty quickly to me on the Tuesday. And my husband was here while I was at work and he signed for it. So I am going to share this with you. And then I think I'll share how I got this item. And yeah, I can't wait to see it. So let's see. This is how it came. I didn't get like the special Murakami special edition ribbons, but I'm totally okay with that. Yay! And then here's the receipt. Let me scooch this. Okay, so nobody needs to see the receipt. Oh, actually, I want to see if I got any stickers. Let's see. Okay, no stickers, but just a receipt and like a shipping label in case I want to return it. So if this is perfect, I'm definitely not going to return it. And can you guess what I got here? Okay, let's see. And then this is just like, I guess, a gift tag in case it's a gift. And then after I take a look at it, I guess I can share my experience with this whole thing. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Okay, so it has the lock on it already. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so like the leather is so like crisp and like really light. It's so pretty. Okay, so on the bottom here, the faces are like that. Okay, sorry, I'm just taking a look here. And then it has the lock there. It's really pretty. The lock, if you have taken a look at the original versions, it comes with a bow and the lock doesn't come with it. And then the studs are pointier. So that's the difference there. And then this is the shadow strap, and it also comes with a second strap. Oh, let's see where it was. So it's made in Italy. I've never actually noticed that the new versions have this second ring here. Oh, and it's like engraved and everything. I never noticed that. Do you? I have one of the new models, but it doesn't come with an extra ring here. Oh, it probably comes with an extra ring because of the strap. So let's make sure the strap is in here. Oh, yep, here it is. And then here's the tag on the inside with the Murakami characters, 20th year anniversary celebration. And then it comes with a pocket. And I noticed that Louis Vuitton started doing this where they have the tag on the tag on a string here. So if you guys want, this is the code for it. And then it comes with a textile card. Oh, so cute. Okay. And, oh, what's this? I guess it's the keys. That is interesting. Okay, so it comes with keys. It's interesting how the lock was already on it. And then, oh, look at these are so cute. I always honestly like lose the little keys, but that's fine. I'm wondering where I should put that because on like other items that have keys and the lock, I usually don't keep the key and lock on there. So we'll see what I do with that. But I love how this has a pink interior. I think on the original cherry blossom items, they don't have this pretty pink interior, so that's really fun. And it's like a not suede, but like a microfibery, I guess. And then you can see like the backs of the studs there, and they all say Louis Vuitton. Oh, so cute. Okay, and here's the chain. Chain is really, really cute too. Let's see. Okay, and then you can see that they're also, is it gonna focus, engraved. Cute. Oh, okay. Let's take these off. So I don't know how I'm going to wear this because I have other bags in this style. Oh my gosh, what did I do? I have other bags in this style and I wear them on the shoulder or crossbody. So that is how I think I'm going to wear it. I don't know if I'm going to wear the chain strap with the leather strap. Gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. There was probably an easier way to do that. Okay. All right, I finally got the plastic off. So let's put this on the bag here. I'm guessing it should go here. I mean, you can definitely wear it however you want, but let's see what it looks like with it on there. Oh, so cute. Okay. I love that. Okay, that's so pretty. So let me kind of share my experience with getting this. So I definitely was not prepared for the first drop of Murakami. Well, I love all the Murakami collection ever since I was little, like everybody else my age, and I have not been shopping consistently at Louis Vuitton, so I didn't have a client advisor, so I had no idea how hard the first drop was going to be to get items. I mean, eventually I got some things, but for the first drop of Murakami, I was definitely not prepared. So I wanted to make sure that I was prepared for the Cherry Blossom collection because it is probably my favorite because I'm a pink girl. Actually, I don't know which one's my favorite, but I don't have any vintage versions or vintage items from the Cherry Blossom collection, so I knew that there was a lot of things that I wanted to pick up. So I was determined to be prepared. And one of my coworkers was telling me that it was actually going to drop on Friday the 13th, or no, Friday the 14th, super early in the morning, and I'm on the West Coast. So I had to wake up really early to try to see if I could get a chance to order it. And I was trying, so I had my laptop open and I had the app open on my phone to figure out what would give me the best chance to get it. And I also had my my husband have his computer up to see who can get something the fastest. And like everybody on the computer, I was in a waiting room that would just keep refreshing over and over every 60 seconds. And I honestly don't think I ever got out of that page. But luckily on the app, there was no like waiting room. So that was really good. And then I think I was just waiting for things to get, to become available. And I honestly think, I have no idea, this is all like a theory. I think that things drop in batches because I was able to add certain items at certain times that they became available. So I think I managed to get 4 items. And this was the 3rd item out of the 4 that I actually ended up ordering. And I did my orders in separate batches because I didn't know if I like put everything in all at once, if the stock would just go really fast. So my strategy was that I put things into my cart and I would check out right away. And then I did it on the app. That was the only way I went through. I did not go through on the website. Yeah. And so I automatically checked out once I got it in my cart, and I got everything sent to my house. And I honestly think this was the first thing to come because it came from I guess, California, and I'm from California. So I was very surprised at how quickly it came. I would assume that it would come after the day of like the official launch, which would be Friday the 21st. But it actually came in on, so I ordered on the 14th. It came on the, I can't remember the date, but it came on the Wednesday. And the official launch is on Friday the 21st. So that being said, I just wanted to put that out there for anybody who might find this information helpful, because I tried to like look online and figure this out, and I am connected with a client advisor at my local store, and she, you know, had no idea what was going on. I feel so bad for her and like all the client advisors. And literally, like, I think the Wednesday before this became available, my client advisor had no idea what was going on, and she's like, you know, I don't know what's going on, but good luck if you can get anything. And she didn't know that there was a drop or anything. And she even messaged me the day of the drop and said, I don't know if you heard that some items became available online. And I told her, actually, yeah, I managed to get a few pieces. And she had no idea that the drop was actually happening that day. So I just feel bad about how the whole thing is going in the communications, but she was pretty excited that I got this, and I'm gonna send her some pictures. So my other 3 items are still in preparation, so I hope that means that I'm actually going to receive those pieces. And for those 3 pieces, they are those 3 pieces are I would assume they're coming from a different location, and the only reason I was able to get this so quickly was because I'm in California and it came from California. So that's my theory about everything, and I will keep everybody up to date. I haven't posted a video on here in super long because life has been super busy, but I'm excited to start posting again, and I have to remember how to edit and post because I haven't done it in probably like 2 years. So hi everybody, thanks for still keeping up and following if I still have subscribers. And I filmed my unboxings of the first drop of Murakami, but I haven't edited anything, so I wonder if I should even post those, because I don't know who would be interested in it, but, or maybe at the end I'll make a collective haul of everything I picked up. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated, and if you have any questions, let me know. If you still want something from this collection, let me know what you want. And my dog is kind of staring at me because he wants some attention right now, so I'll go ahead and help him out. But if you have any questions, let me know. And if you picked anything up, let me know. I would love to hear. This whole collection is what I love so much, so I just got really excited about it. But anyways, thanks for listening, and I'm a little rusty, but bye.